Hi, we are AquaViolet. Water disinfection is essential to our daily lives and industries, especially aquaculture. Insufficient water disinfection may lead to disease outbreak among the fish and cause tremendous economic loss. Every year, global aquaculture loss due to disease outbreak is estimated to be 13 billion Singapore dollars. As a result, UV is widely adopted in aquaculture for water disinfection. However, there have been some constraints for the mercury lamp-based UV systems, which are dominant in the market. We have validated this with some market players that a large portion of fish dying every year due to UV system failure. There are three major problems of current mercury UV systems. Firstly, the light emitted by these systems have a narrow cleaning spectrum, which is not effective against many types of microbes. Secondly, mercury UV systems have a short lifespan of 6 to 12 months only. Lastly, they also require very tedious and frequent maintenance, resulting in high operational costs. We have a solution to the problems. Firstly, AquaViolet's patented technology emits UV light in both UVA and UVC range to generate 50% higher disinfection rate. Secondly, AquaViolet uses LEDs which have 3 times longer lifespan as compared to mercury UV lamps. Thirdly, with a unique design, AquaViolet can prevent slip fouling, reducing cleaning frequency by 4 times without compromising disinfection performance. Above all, for a typical aqua farm with production of 2,000 tons per year, our product can help them gain 180,000 Singapore dollars economic value annually. We will launch our product with aqua farms in Singapore, Brunei, and Indonesia, with a market size of 5.1 million Singapore dollars. And our ambition is to get a substantial share of global UV devices market sized at the 6.53 billion Singapore dollars. So far, 4 different companies have expressed their interest in the product. We have initiated pilot trials at the premises which are scheduled to be completed by 2022. We have an experienced and balanced team. Our team members and advisors are coming from diversified backgrounds from both engineering and commercial side. Now, we are looking forward to meeting investors, strategic partners, and customers to embark on our journey and co-create a greater value towards the food security and aquaculture industry. Please come to speak to us and explore with us the opportunities ahead. Thank you.
And we've just heard from AquaViolet and Julian Lee, the Chief Marketing Officer. Welcome, Julian.
Thank you.
So I've got a few questions for you today, if you don't mind.
Sure.
So among some of the UV devices on the market, what makes AquaViolet's technology stand out?
Okay, thank you for the question. The main feature that differentiates our product from the rest is the combination of the UVA and UVC dual wavelengths, which enables our product to have a better disinfection performance. However, our technology is not just simple combination of the 2 light sources. It also including the selection of the specific wavelengths as well as the configuration of the water flow and so on. And this also ensures the optimal working condition and also make sure that our technology is not easily copied by the others. Moreover, our product is also a plug and play system which can be easily retrofitted into the existing system for water disinfection.
That sounds great. So when can we expect to see the product on the market?
Yeah, we have been working on a few pilot projects which are scheduled to be completed by 2022. And if everything goes well, we'll launch our first product in Singapore in 2023 with a treatment capacity of 2.5 cubic meter per hour.
So that sounds great, and I'm looking forward to it. And aquaculture sounds like a terrific vertical, field to work in. But does it work in fields beyond aquaculture as well?
Yes, definitely. Actually, our technology is capable of water, air, and surface disinfection. While we are focusing on the water disinfection for now at the start, we will definitely look out for the opportunities it is out there when the time comes.
Thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, that was Julian Lee, Chief Marketing Officer of AquaViolet.